Hi, bro, I look so tired. Welcome to this video. Very raw video, as it should be normally. As you can see, my hair is very bad because I'm right now letting my hair grow. But in the videos, as you can see, they're very short. And that's because I pre-recorded all of my videos. That's why I've been so consistent with the videos. But the last two or three videos, or the last two videos didn't have the thumbnail, for example. That's because I didn't have any time and I wasn't motivated to do something, or I didn't have the power to do something. If I have another idea, if I have another project, then I do this because the videos, I don't know, I mean, I love to make the videos, but the videos sound like fake to me because I read the script and it sounds fake. It doesn't sound natural like this. I mean, I don't have a script for that. I don't feel like do the videos anymore. I need to change something up the videos because first of all, nobody watches them besides me. And the reels I took, for example, the 100 day series, but at the beginning of the year, I recorded this and now it's April. Almost 1/3 of the 1/4 of the year is gone. I haven't made any progress in the videos so far because I pre-recorded the videos. I thought, yeah, I have enough time, I have enough videos, this should work. But every video is the same. Every time I see my videos on Instagram, I scroll away because I don't want to see them anymore. I know I uploaded so much videos. I spammed my social media accounts with the shorts. I think I need to stop with that because first of all, it's way too much. Second of all, nobody watches them. And third, I don't even like the videos. And at the beginning, it's okay to don't like your videos. You need to publish, you need to upload things, you need to push. But every video feels like the same. It repeats every day. And not even I'm liking my videos anymore because I don't want to watch this. And I didn't have the power to cancel all of that because I pre-recorded all of that, as I mentioned. And yeah, I need to change something up. Bro, I'm so tired. Yeah, as you can see, I am so fucking tired. Yeah, that's what I need to change. I need to change the videos because I don't like them anymore. And it's okay to not like videos. I'm not going to delete them on YouTube. Or maybe yes. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But I just want to talk to you or to tell you that all the videos I did, they were pre-recorded. I just have, I think, 3 videos left that I can upload that are pre-recorded, and one is from last week. And my goal is to make 2 videos now because, first of all, 1 video is okay, but I pre-record the videos. Okay, let me tell you this. For example, on Saturday, I record 6 videos, for example, 6 videos. And I upload once a week. So this is 6 weeks where I don't have to do anything. And on Sunday, I cut them, I finish everything up. And then for the rest of the week or the rest of the 6 weeks, I have nothing to do because the videos are made. I'm finished with the work. I'm just waiting to uploading them. And every Tuesday I make the thumbnails because I don't know what should I do with the thumbnails or what should I make. And now that I switched away from ChatGPT, I first of all don't have a image generation prompt. That's first of all good because all the pictures you saw or all the thumbnails you saw are AI generated besides the last 2 ones. Or I don't know even when this video comes. Now this video comes on, I upload this. Yeah, this is the next video I upload. This is the next video I upload. And from now on, I upload on Thursday and on Sunday. That's my plan. And I upload in Swiss time. I just played around with uploading at 6, at 9, at midnight, etc. But I think I'm going to stick to 18 p.m. I think that's a good time. Or should I upload later? Write in the comments if you see. I don't know if you're even going to watch this. But if you're watching this, write me down in the comments when I should upload. But for now, for the first thing, or for the first half of a year, I'm going to stick to 18 p.m. or to 6 p.m. or 18 o'clock in Swiss time because I'm in Swiss. And if I upload at 9 p.m., first of all, it's good because my American audience can see this. It's their prime time, but in Swiss, it's already almost late. I don't know. I upload when I want at 6 p.m. I stick to this now, okay? We try this first of all. Let's try this for half a year. If it's not working, we're gonna change up the time. But the time it's not important when I'm gonna upload. But never mind. So what I want to tell you is that I was here making a script. I was sitting here. Wait, let me show you something. This is how my desk looks. It's crazy. I mean, look. It's so much stuff on it that I don't even need anymore. It's packages. I mean, I just bought something because my car didn't start, and I bought the car starter, and now it's just like there. I mean, I don't care. I need to clean this up, but I don't have the power right now. I mean, from the holidays, there are some cables that are here, some adapters from the holidays. Yeah, I didn't even clean up. And right now, I was listening to music. This was in the background. This, if you want to know, it's DJ Snake. It's the UMF, or the Ultra Music Festival in Miami. His set I was listening to in the background, and this was here my script. Notion. As you can see, this is my Notion template. There are some things I scripted, but I mean, it doesn't sound real. It looks okay. I make this with Claude, with AI. I give him the idea, I give him some points, what he needs to talk about, and he makes me the script. And I just read up from the script. I mean, and also when I make it with AI, it doesn't sound natural. And I know I can personalize Claude, that he can talk like I talk, and he can write like I want to write, but I don't know if AI makes this, it doesn't feel real. I mean, I make YouTube now for over 12 or 13 years, or maybe longer. And back then I didn't make any script, because I talked I made every video I was living right now. Okay, I was back in school then. I had lots to tell. I mean, this happened and this happened. I mean, I can make even a video where I watch back my old videos. Never mind. And this is the first thing that is ugly, or I mean, the first thing that I don't like is the script I make. The second is that there is chaos. And third thing is, as you can see here, I have networking stuff here, right there. And this takes a lot of time. As you can see, I upgraded to Ubiquiti network. It's very nice, but it's somehow, I need to figure everything up, because I host everything locally. And I like to do this stuff because IT stuff is, I like it. Yeah, I like it. I'm right now learning the networking stuff, the CCNA course, CCNA training. And I don't know why I even started, because first of all, I don't have time, and I just started because I wanted. Yeah, and I can show you this. What also stress? It's not stressing me. It's a bit stupid, because before I went to the holiday, my life or my routine was fine. And let me show you this. As you can see here, my gym days. These were only 2 days. This is March. This is April. We're now in April. The blue point we're in right now, and this is March. And in March, these 2 trainings were just in the morning. I went there, I was so tired, I went back. I didn't even train properly. And I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened, why I fell off with the gym and everything, because I go at 5 in the morning, and I don't know. But now I'm tired. I'm tired of all of this, because I said back in the February, there are only 90 days till summer comes. Or in March, I don't know. But then I never went to the gym. And now I'm going to the gym. I'm going to train properly. And then I come back, finish this video. And you can see how happy I am. And that the gym works. And then I finish this video. This was just a quick info video. What's going on right now. And that I need to change some things up. So yeah, we see us after the gym. Or yeah, let's go to the gym. Hey, welcome back guys. I went to the gym. I feel awesome. I'm a bit tired because I really didn't sleep enough tonight. But as you can see, let it sync up a second. Where is the gym? Here, fitness. Oh, it's not. It's still syncing. Syncing data. Synced. So, as you can see here, it's no longer blue. It's green. I mean, it has a blue circle around it, but it's green inside because I went to the gym. Hey. Yeah, and as you can see, my sleep quality was very bad because we went to eat. We had so much bread to eat, but never mind. That's how it is. That's how it goes. But for today, I'm gonna clean up the mess. I'm gonna set everything up, record one video or two, and then I need to go away. I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna record today, but tomorrow is also a day. But for now, thanks for watching, guys. That was the short, real, what's happening right now in my life video. As for that, thanks for watching. I'm rooting for you, and we see us next time.